A variable product is one that offers various versions of the same item. An instance of this can be seen in a t-shirt that comes in different sizes and colors, such as blue, red, and green, or small, medium, and large. This means that a single parent product, which in this case is a plain t-shirt, can have multiple child products, like a blue small t-shirt, a red medium t-shirt, or a green large t-shirt. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a variable product in OnePatch. A variable product is a product that has multiple variations. For example, a t-shirt would have multiple variations that includes different sizes and colors. To create a variable product, go to the menu on the left-hand side and click Products, then All Products. Once the page has loaded, go to the top of the page and click Add Product. Then go to the drop-down at the top right-hand side of the page and select Variable Product. Then enter the name of the parent product. Once you have done this, you can add your attributes. For example, your attributes would be color, size, version, etc. You will also need to add your values in like small, medium, and large. Once you have done this, tick the tick box for use in variation, and then click Save. And that's it. You have now created a variable product. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.